morning, my dear students. Today we will learn about English alphabet. I will tell you the formation of cursive letter A, B, C and D. Let's start with the first letter. So this is letter A. First of all, I want to tell you that you can see there are four lines. There are four sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First of all, from the top you can see that line. It is known as capital line. Which line? Capital line. And this one, the second line is known as waistline. Third is baseline. And the fourth one is tail line. You can see in your notebook, like you can see the four lines of here. The first and the last one is in red color and the middle two lines are in black color. Right? Now I will tell you then how to write letter A in this notebook. Okay, look at this slate board. First of all, I will tell you how to write the letter A on the board. So, 1, 2, 3. From the third line, here you have to keep your pencil and just start from here. Start from here. Go up with the slanting line. Again, just keep your pencil here on the top of here. Make a slight curve and make slanting line. Go up. Then come down with standing line. From here, come down, standing line. Then go back again. And from the middle line, from the waistline, take a curve. Take a curve and come out and touch that line. Clear? Again, look at here one more time. Start from here. Just take a slightly turn and make slanting line, go up, come down with standing line, then go back again, take turn, take a curve from second line, take and come out like this. So this is letter A. You will follow this pattern only. Now I will show you how to write it in the notebook. Let's come on, follow me. Hold the pencil like this and from this is like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is third line. So we will start our letter A from here. Just take a slightly turn, go up with slanting line, then make a standing line, go back and take a curve and come out like this and touch that second line. Again, start, go up, come down, go back again, make a curve and come out. So this is about letter A. Hope you learn the correct formation of letter A, and you have to follow this pattern only. Let's learn about letter B. So this is letter B. So letter B will start from the capital line, from the first line, right? So you just keep your pencil here, start from here, come down with slanting line. From the base line, take turn and go up back, making a curve. Then from here, make again a half curve, touch the second line, then again make a half curve by touching the baseline and make inside circle, and just this is the letter B. Again I will do that. Start from here, take turn and go back up, make half curve, again half curve, and now inside round. That is letter B. Let us do it in the notebook now. So this is a capital line. Start the slanting line here, make curve, half curve, again half curve, and the inside curve. Again slanting line, take turn, go up, make a half curve, and inside round again. Take turn, half curve, one more half curve, and take inside round, a small inside round. So this is letter B. So students, this is letter C. Now I will tell you how to write letter C. Letter C also start from the third line, from the base line. So the starting point of letter C is from here, from the third line. You have to keep your pencil here. Keep a pencil here and just take a slightly turn. Go up with slanting line. Make a curve from here only, and then come back again. Make a whole curve, and like this. This is about letter C. Let's do it again. Start from here. Make a slightly turn and come up. Make a curve. That's it. This is letter C. Let's learn it in the notebook now. So from the third line, 1, 2, 3. From the third line, keep your pencil here. Slightly turn, go up, make a curve like this. Turn, half curve. Curve. So this is about letter C. Let's learn about letter D now. This is letter D. Letter D. So letter D will start from the top line, that is capital line. Just keep your pencil here and come down with slanting line. And from the baseline, you have to take a small curve like this. Small curve. And just come down, touch that line, go up by making a curve. Then come again back, make a curve by making a curve that touch that line. Then clear? Again look at here. Start from here, come down by slanting line, then make a small curve, then make a big curve, again curve, and come like this and touch that part only. So this is letter D. Now let's learn how to write letter D in the notebook. So start from the top line like this. Slanting line, a small curve, then a big curve, again a small curve, and go up in. Again big curve, small curve, and touch here. So this is about letter D. So today we learn about letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D. Right? You have to follow this formation. Now I will tell you the phonic sound of these letters. So first letter is letter A. Letter A says A for apple. A says A for apple. B says B for boy. B says B for boy. C says G for cat. C says G for cat. D says D for dog. D says D for dog. Hope you will learn all 4 letters. Do the practice of these letters in the notebook and revise the phonic sound of these letters. Thank you and bye-bye.